You won't know if it works until you actually test it, until you actually drive traffic to your landing page, and then you get your opt-in rate. What I recommend for the numbers that you look for is look for anything above 40%. So your opt-in rate for your landing page must be 40% or higher. If it's not at least 40%, then you need to make some tweaks. What I would recommend that you do for your landing pages is just keep it simple. Don't over design it and make it look fancy. What I can tell you from testing, from my own marketing, is you cannot overdo your landing page, because otherwise what that's going to do is going to cause distraction for when you're driving traffic, and when your website visitors are on your page, they're going to be distracted and they're not going to see the opt-in form. So just keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Just only use the copy for the landing page and then the opt-in field with just your lead's email, and then just have the button below where it directs to the next page. That's all you need. You don't need a fancy background or fancy wording of any sort. Just keep it simple. And always test out your pages. So drive some traffic to your landing page. I would recommend don't drive a big chunk of traffic. If you're doing solo ads, just test with a reasonable number of clicks, and then just get some data and let that data tell you what is working or what's not working. So I would recommend that you do that when it comes to landing pages. Make sure when you're designing them, keep it simple. Or if you're not designing your own landing pages, learn how to, because you can't always rely on the company branded landing pages, because those pages can get saturated very fast if you have thousands of other affiliates driving traffic to that page at the same time.